In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this Meiloorun fruit from Star Wars using just Model Magic Clay, some paint, super glue, and Styrofoam. And I think I meet the minimum age requirement to do this. I start by trimming up the Styrofoam, which is always fun because it makes a mess and sticks to everything. And then I open up a package of the modeling clay. Now, I bought a pack of 4, and this took me about 1 1/4 to about 1 1/3 packs to complete. I used one whole package just for the body, and it wraps around the Styrofoam that I trimmed up earlier. And once I got it to the shape I wanted, I started to paint. I'm using a base of red here. The fruit is an orangish yellow color, but it kind of fades from a darker color to a lighter color. So I'm starting with a red base on what I'm going to call the bottom side of the fruit. And once I get the red all painted on the way I want, I add some yellow. And just covering up the front of the nozzle, I can mix the two together in the paint gun, and it gives me an orangish color, which you can see coming out a little bit here on the fruit. Of the entire project, the painting was probably the most time consuming. After I got the yellow and orange to the consistency I wanted on the model, I then added in some green, again mixing the green to the yellow and orange, and darkened up some lines. Now off camera, I made these little spikes and the cap out of the same Model Magic Clay. Once you get it modeled up, you should let it dry for at least 12 hours. 24 is better. Model Magic Clay is not supposed to ever dry completely, but it does become dry to the touch. Because it holds moisture, these little spikes that I painted up using red, yellow, and green to make a brownish color, they stuck very well, and I didn't have to do much to get them to stick other than the super glue. And a note to myself, next time, double check my count before I finish and glue everything on. I short it myself by one of the spikes, which you will see here as I rotate the fruit. If you like what you saw here today, please give me a like so that I know people are appreciating it. And if you want to see more like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.